Hi, boys. In the name of Mama Mary, loving and joyful greetings to you and to all your family members. I'm sure you are safe at home, eating well, and studying properly through online studies. Fathers, sisters, all our staff members, the tuition teachers have all given you their regards. They're all praying for you so that you remain safe at home and able to return to the boarding at the earliest.
हाय नमस्कार मुलांनो बाळांनो आम्ही सर्वजण फादर ब्रदर सिस्टर्स सर्वजण तुमची वाट पाहत आहोत. तुमच्या विणा हे ऑलरेडी होम पूर्ण खाली खाली सुने सुने वाटते, त्याकरिता लवकरात लवकर या ही विनंती.
This year is the Diamond Jubilee of Our Lady's Home. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to have any celebrations or conduct any activities. But children, you can sing the home anthem regularly and pray for each other. I am glad to introduce to you our new regents, Brother Aston Pinto, and we have Brother Kenneth Pinto.
Thank you, Father.
Brothers, very warm welcome to you to Our Lady's Home. We wish you happy and fruitful year of regency here at Our Lady's Home. I'm sure you will enjoy. God bless you. Dear boys, we are waiting for you to return. Meantime, please pray that the virus disappears soon and our schools reopen quickly. Meantime, please stay at home. Be safe, be healthy, listen to your elders, and also do some studies. God bless you.
Hello, boys. Isn't it wonderful to see Our Lady's Home? It's been such a long time. We are brothers Kenneth and Ashton, and we are appointed to be with you for this year.
You know, Brother Cajetan and Brother Cletus has told us so much about you all. Our boys are so talented. Music, art, games, wonderful, full of energy.
Full of masti also.
Yeah, full of masti.
Yeah, absolutely. And we are looking forward to it. We've missed you these few months, and we are just waiting when you could come back and enjoy with us and at Our Lady's Home. I'm sure you guys would be wanting to come.
But do you really think that our boys are missing Our Lady's Home?
Let's ask the boys. Boys?
Boys,
Are you missing Our Lady's Home?
So, boys, we have made a WhatsApp group, so that we can stay in touch and we can stay connected.
Yes, we've set up these class-wise WhatsApp groups. You'll be added. This is the welcome video. And this place is just for us to communicate with each other. Of course, we'll not be in physically, but virtually. We'll say hello to each other. We'll play some games. And also, we will do a little bit of study. Suppose some of these online lessons are not very clear. We'll help you to share your doubts, to solve your doubts, and try and work out things that you will be comfortable with your academics too.
But there is a problem.
Yeah, everybody knows coronavirus itna bada problem hai. What more?
Not coronavirus.
Then what other problem?
We don't know the boys. We haven't seen them.
Arey yeah. Father has introduced us to them. They know you are Ashton and I'm Kenneth. But how will father introduce 100 boys to us? It's very difficult. Now that is a big problem. Ashton, any ideas?
Yeah, so boys, we have organized a selfie competition. You need to click a picture of yourself and send it to us by 9 p.m. tonight.
Yes, the best selfie per class will receive a prize when you touch down at Our Lady's Home. So brothers, we want to know you. We want to look at you in your best smiles, in your best poses. Go out if you are allowed and take a nice selfie and send it to us. Till we meet again, till we have a lot of fun, till we have a lot of games and studies and fun and frolic. We see you soon.
Yes, boys.
You share the in have done 16. Our ladies home, our ladies home. The boys all love you so. You share the